What's going on there, fellas? What are we doing?
We have nothing else to do. We're going to take Al's bike apart. No, we're going to do. We're
Sell
gonna
the frame.
Johnny. We'll put the fast Johnny.
Put
On here. Put the gray one.
There you go. Just switch it up a bit. So Al actually picked up a Shark Demon headlight, and in this video today, we're going to be putting that Shark Demon headlight on his beautiful 2023 Road Glide. What color is this again now? Atlas? Is it? No, it's not Atlas.
Gray fog or gray fade?
Gray fade?
Yeah.
He doesn't even know what color it is, Joe.
It's just my favorite color.
It is sweet, man.
Nice color.
With the chrome, boy. Ooh, it is beautiful. Really, really nice bike. So we're going to be installing or I should say they're going to be installing, because my back is still shot, and they're going to be installing this Shark Demon headlight. We'll show you guys what to do, how easy it is. First things first, take the windshield off, and then obviously we got to pop this up. You know how it comes off, super easy. Then we're going to have to unplug this doodad right here. Yep, unplug that one. And then we're going to have to take the speaker grills out. There is one bolt there, and then 2 bolts here, and 1 bolt on the side by the light. Super easy.
It is.
1, 2, 3, 4 on each side, 8 bolts, and it's off. Yep.
Pick for this.
Okay, Joe just lost the bolt. We got the fairing's off. We got 2 bolts on the top of the headlight, 2 bolts on the bottom of the headlight. Then the headlight's gonna come down. We'll unplug it, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like inside the Shark Demon box. That's a kit, so you guys know it comes with everything, the brackets, and it's all plug and play from Custom Dynamics. Also, guys, if you're interested, I have a bunch left. So we got rid of the couple that were here last time. We got a couple more because these things are going fast. So let me know. There's going to be a link down below in the video description if you guys are interested in a Custom Dynamics Shark Demon headlight. All right, guys, so this is what you get in the kit. You get directions, obviously, and then there's your Shark Demon headlamps. You got 2 of them. Take this out, Joe, if you don't mind, sir. And we could put these 2 on a side. Yeah, maybe just put them on a side over there. Heavy sucker, huh?
Yes, the wires just seem like they're too connected or something. I don't want to.
All right, so let's lift this up. Okay, so you got 1 out, and that's the light. Absolutely beautiful. Same light I had on Mad Max, just so you guys know. Here, try to get that one out. Hang on, don't pull it. Push that connector through. There we go. And I don't know, is there anything in there? Still feels kind of heavy.
Feels heavy, yeah.
Yeah, maybe underneath. Yep,
Yeah.
There's a bracket. So just throw that over there for now. And then you have all the bracketry right there, all the hardware. This is plug and play. Get all these pieces together, and then we'll show you guys how it goes in. Super simple installation.
One on the front.
All right, so we're gonna put that bracket in. Joe's doing that right now, utilizing the 2 bolts that actually came with the headlight, or I should say mounted the headlight. And then we're gonna put another 2 bolts on the bottom. So there's gonna be 4 bolts in total holding that bracket.
You said socket out.
Yeah, so the next step is you're gonna take the Custom Dynamics headlight adapter, Shark Demon headlight adapter. We're gonna plug it in. Right here, Joe, plug that in.
Okay, Al, hold this a minute, please.
What's that on there?
Paper.
Yeah, I'm gonna plug that in. Actually, Joe, put it back here. Route this, yep, in there, and then like plug. Yeah. So you're gonna route. This one. This one goes here in the back. Pull that towards you, Joe. And the one with the white plug right here, that's gonna stay. If you're looking at the bike, that one's gonna stay to the right, just like that, exactly. All right, guys, see, this is the way I like it. You know, when guys come over, they work, and I'm just standing around supervising. This is what I like. I need this more often. Man, my back is still on fire, boy. Al, you got this thing done up nice. You know what this thing needs? A nice 2-into-2 chrome works, bro.
2-to-2 chrome works?
Absolutely. The one I have in my shed. That's the one you need, my friend.
The problem is that voids my warranty.
leave the slip-ons on for now. And then once your warranty's over, put the header on. I got the system, man. You got your name all over it, man. All right, so Joe's actually mounting the headlamps to the 2 brackets, 4 bolts, each headlamp for each bracket. And then once he has that done, I'll show you guys how it looks. And then you got 4 bolts that you're gonna use to mount the 2 individual headlamps, 4 bolts for each one. We're gonna mount the 2 headlamps, plug them in first, mount them, and then we're gonna be installing the cover piece that goes in the middle, and then the fairing goes back on. It's that simple. All right, so super simple. Got the headlamp, 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, brackets on the back. Just so you guys know, this is the top. It clearly states top. This portion is the bottom. And then if you see the bracket, you got that little, I guess, you know, lip or whatever you want to call it, this piece of the bracket that extends, that's going to be on the left. And the one extends on the right, that's going to be for the right headlamp. Now we could take the headlamps and bolt them into the bike. All right, so we got the headlights in, and now this bracket, Joe's starting the bottom 2 bolts, and then there's one on the top right there where my thumb is. And that's it. That's how simple the installation is on these Shark Demon headlights. It's all plug and play, DOT approved. You don't have to run any wires to power. I mean, it's very, very simple. And these things are killer bright. Had the same ones on Mad Max. Once we get the fairing back on, Al will flip the bike on, pull it back, and I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, and then Joe's got all 3 screws in for the cover plate that covers the middle. Once the fairing goes on, everything is good to go. And now this seal is gonna go on that front of that bracket like that. That's going to give you a weather seal, so this way the water don't go up and over onto your boom box.
Electronics.
Yeah, now we could put the fairing back on. That's it. Oh man, that looks good already, dude. Where you plan on going with this light?
I can't tell you. Can't tell you.
Friggin' Alaska?
It's gonna be dark.
Oh baby, look at that, Al, dude. It does look sick. Did you see it? That thing looks sick, dude.
It is.
Holy cow. It matches the bike so good.
Yeah, because it's got the black and the silver.
Right. This looks like all silver and chrome, matches the chrome. So the fairing's going back on now. Again, super easy. 1 bolt at the light, 1 bolt in the speaker. You got 2 right here. And that's it. Super simple. You got 2 plugs. Make sure you unplug the 2 plugs for the turn signal. What do you guys think about Al's bike? I think it's beautiful. This color's great with all the chrome. I love the chrome on this bike.
Careful.
Al's got the road sofa.
The gaskets are all back on, right, Al?
Yep.
Al knows the deal.
Heated grips.
Heated grips, baby.
Heated grips.
Absolutely.
Heated grips.
No, fuck it. I'll find
Whoa, easy. This is a family channel, my friend. This is a family channel. The friggin' guy comes over here, he's cursing, he's swearing, he's friggin' spitting in the lawn, on my beautiful lawn. Relax, buddy. What about that Shark Demon? It's gorgeous, ain't it? That thing looks so good.
I know. I'm just waiting.
That looks really
I'm waiting
good.
for Custom Dynamics to come out with this light.
Right, for your bike.
My bike.
Here, let
Lowrider
me
ST.
help Al out over here. Take it off the lift.
Got kickstand all the way down.
Is the kickstand down?
Yes.
You don't want no back problems like me.
Yeah.
Beauty, that's it. Perfect, Joe. Joe had the jacking upside down.
Turn the lights on.
was
Turn the switch on. So you see the lights. Oh, there it is. There you go.
Oh yeah. Sit on it, move it back so we could do a little B-roll on this thing. Oh, I love that headlight.
This whole time over here, guys, I was actually working while
Yeah,
John.
you were
while
working
John
my ass.
He wasn't filming me. I was working this whole time.
You were working my ass. He just friggin'
Give us
pulled
a high
in.
beam, come on.
Oh my God, yeah, that's bright. That is bright. All right, brother, thanks for stopping by.
No, thank you, John.
Of course, anytime, my man.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Hell yeah.
really gonna appreciate him that night.